Ever wondered how to calculate your employees' salaries in Singapore? Let's simplify it. First, calculate the gross salary. This includes any maternity, paternity, or childcare leave. Next, determine the CPF contributions. For a salary of SGD 7,000, use the CPF ceiling of SGD 6,800. Multiply by the CPF rate, 20% for employees and 17% for employers. That's SGD 1,360 from the employee and SGD 1,156 from you. Now let's handle the Skills Development Levy, SDL. It's 0.25% of the gross salary, capped at SGD 11.25. For SGD 7,000, that's still SGD 11.25. Don't forget the self-help group SHG contributions. For the Chinese community, it's SGD 2 for the CDAC fund. Finally, calculate the net salary. Start from SGD 7,000, deduct the employee CPF contribution of SGD 1,360 and the SGD 2 for CDAC. So the net salary is SGD 5,638. Remember, if you have foreign employees, there might be a foreign worker levy and tax clearance involved. Always stay updated with legislation, and there you go. Salary calculations in Singapore made simple.